Continuous improvement is the cornerstone of lean manufacturing, driving organizations towards excellence and efficiency. This week, we will explore the 3 general principles and 4 basic rules that form the DNA of continuous improvement, empowering professionals to elevate workflow and achieve operational excellence. Introduction to continuous improvement in lean manufacturing. Continuous improvement, also known as Kaizen in the context of lean manufacturing, is a philosophy that focuses on making incremental changes to processes to enhance efficiency, quality, and customer satisfaction. It is a systematic approach that involves all employees in the organization and fosters a culture of innovation and problem solving. 3 general principles for continuous improvement. 1. Make-to-use principle of make-to-use emphasizes producing goods or services based on actual customer demand. By aligning production with customer needs, organizations can minimize waste, reduce inventory costs, and improve responsiveness to market fluctuations. 2. Eliminate waste. Eliminating waste is a fundamental principle of lean manufacturing. By identifying and eliminating non-value-added activities, organizations can streamline processes, reduce lead times, and optimize resource utilization. 3. People are key to the system. People are at the heart of continuous improvement. Engaging employees, empowering them to contribute ideas, and fostering a culture of collaboration and continuous learning are essential for driving sustainable improvements in the organization. 4 basic rules for continuous improvement. 1. Specificity in work. All work activities must be clearly defined in terms of content, sequence, time, and expected results. This level of specificity ensures clarity, consistency, and accountability in the execution of tasks and steps when the result is different from expected. A process in place that is not written is not a process. 2. Direct connection between client and provider. Establishing a direct and transparent communication channel between the client and provider is crucial for effective problem solving and decision making. Clear communication pathways facilitate quick responses and minimize misunderstandings. 3. Simplicity in leading products and services. Simplicity is key to efficient operations. Leading products and services should be designed and delivered in a straightforward manner to enhance usability, reduce complexity, and improve customer satisfaction. 4. Improvement through scientific method. Continuous improvement should be guided by the scientific method, involving hypothesis testing, data analysis, and evidence-based decision-making. By following a structured approach to problem solving, organizations can drive sustainable improvements and innovation. Implementation of principles and rules in lean manufacturing. In lean manufacturing, the principles and rules of continuous improvement are integrated into daily operations through practices such as value stream mapping (VSM), 5S's methodology, and visual management. By applying these principles and rules, organizations can optimize processes, reduce waste, and enhance overall performance. Benefits of embracing continuous improvement. Embracing continuous improvement offers a myriad of benefits, including increased productivity, improved quality, reduced costs, enhanced employee morale, and greater customer satisfaction. Organizations that prioritize continuous improvement are better equipped to adapt to changing market conditions and stay ahead of the competition. Case studies of successful continuous improvement in lean manufacturing. Several companies such as Toyota, General Electric, and Boeing have successfully implemented continuous improvement principles and achieved significant improvements in their operations. By fostering a culture of continuous improvement and empowering employees to drive change, these companies have been able to sustain their competitive advantage and deliver value to customers. Challenges in implementing continuous improvement. While continuous improvement offers numerous benefits, implementing it can pose challenges for organizations. Common challenges include resistance to change, lack of leadership support, inadequate resources, and difficulty sustaining improvements over time. Overcoming these challenges requires strong leadership, employee engagement, and a commitment to continuous learning and improvement. Future trends in continuous improvement. The future of continuous improvement in lean manufacturing is evolving with advancements in technology, automation, and data analytics. Industry 4.0 technologies, such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, and predictive analytics, are reshaping the way organizations optimize their processes and drive innovation. By leveraging these technologies, organizations can unlock new opportunities for growth, efficiency, and competitiveness. In conclusion, continuous improvement is the DNA of lean manufacturing, guiding organizations towards operational excellence, innovation, and sustainable growth. By embracing the principles and rules of continuous improvement, professionals can elevate workflow, drive efficiency, and deliver value to customers. As we look to the future, the evolution of continuous improvement will be driven by collaboration, agility, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. Important. If you find yourself in a situation where the information above is helpful to you, remember to say that EL Master Chief told you. For more useful information, visit the social networks in LinkedIn, YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Reddit, and Spotify.